Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about your computer science grade 12. Okay, for HSC. Okay, so it's basically for Maharashtra board. So this is just an introduction, like what would be there and how the pattern and things are. So if you see the computer science 1 and 2, it's divided in two papers. So we have got paper 1 और हमारे पास paper 2 भी है, right? So here you can see that we have got basically theory component in this and practical component as well, right? So if you see the total marks goes to as 200. So ये बहुत बड़ा contribution करेगा in your 12th syllabus to score more marks. And in general the tendency of distribution of marks, okay, so they get students होते हैं उनको काफ़ी अच्छे marks मिलते हैं CS में. Now here the challenging part would be the theory, right? So the paper is divided as paper 1 and paper 2. और जो theory component है it's covering, it's basically vast, the vast concepts and topics here. So let's see that. So computer science 1 is made up of, this is your theoretical, this data structure is also theoretical, slightly some coding concept would be here, but majorly it is theoretical. And if we talk about the C++, so this is more about the codes, okay, codes and concepts about logic and coding. And similarly hypertext markup language, this is also kind of, the tags based things would be there, and here maybe variable function commands, something related to that. So these two more toward the programming things, and these two more towards theory one. And if you see, this is approximate mark distribution as per the previous year pattern 2021. There might be some changes, but overall we'll have to study all these chapters, right? So yeah, this is your paper 2. In the paper 2, यहाँ पे majorly क्या है, यहाँ पे majorly we can see that they are talking about the microprocessor, that is IC, how it is, how it's made, what is the pin configuration and all. Okay, so here weightage goes somewhere 17 18. And then instruction set. Okay, so you'll have to be very much specific about what commands 8085 microprocessor is having. Okay, so that, so here here you'll have to, your practical codes and everything वो यहाँ से आएगा आपको. Then introduction of 86 family. Okay, so we have got huge series of the microprocessor. Currently I think Intel, okay, Intium i3 i7 i5, okay, the series of Itanium is going on. So this is the initial of microprocessors. So यहाँ पे वो लोग उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Again the weightage is only this much. So this is also theoretical. Then introduction of microcontroller. So in the IC, like it's basically microprocessor and microcontroller. For the small devices हम microcontroller use करते हैं. For the laptop computers we generally use microprocessor. So यहाँ पे they have given only 7 to 8 marks. And last one is full theoretical. Okay, so here if I go ahead, so I must say that this is, the remembering part theoretical kind of thing. Introductory block diagram theoretical thing. Introduction, this is also remembering and block diagram theoretical, this is also theoretical. So here only one chapter number 2, I mean the unit 2 basically talks about the commands and instructions. तो वहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. एंड दिस कंट्रीब्यूट्स यू अराउंड 43 to 45 mark. Okay, approximately 50 mark a paper. I think here the description is given with the options. Let's go आगे आगे देखते क्या है. Yeah, so now this is one sample for your paper 1. like यहाँ पे you can see that we have our OS operating system, DS data structure, C++ programming and hypertext markup language, correct? So यहाँ पे they have given like one question will be from operating system, 1 mark. So weightage goes something like 3 questions of, okay, total gives you 9 marks. And then we have got this 3, so it's going to give us 4 marks thing. So this is how the split is. Okay, Here again, this is for 12 marks here, then 4 marks here, then here we have got 8 marks thing. Okay, 4 mark questions. I think here it should be 4, I guess. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Okay, no, it's fine. 4 marker 3 questions. It is 4 marker 1 question, so 4 mark. 4 marker 2 questions, so this is 8 mark. Right, so यहाँ पे nothing they have asked. The same way if you go here, so maximum questions 5 marker questions वो यहाँ से आ रहा है हम लोगों को फ्रॉम योर C++ से आ रहा है. टोटल 20 मार्क यहाँ पे कोडिंग पर ही हो रहा है. मे बी इस कोडिंग पार्ट ओनली, मे बी थेरी ऑल्सो, बट ये मेजर कंपोनेंट बना रहा है 41. सो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को इससे थोड़ा सा लगता है डर, बिकॉज दे नॉट वेरी मच फैमिलियर विद द कोडिंग. और थोड़े बहुत लोगों को इससे भी थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. दे ऑल लव टू गो विद दिस. ये वाला पार्ट उनको ईजी लगता है, ये पार्ट, मगर यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम होती है. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है. इफ़ यू अटेंड द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग एंड C++, तो ये चीज़ें आपको बहुत ईजी लगने लगेंगी. बट थोड़ा सा आपको इनिशियल एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा. करेंटली दिस इज़ वी आर इन द जनवरी मंथ, सही है. February, March, April, approximately 3 months or 3.5 months still we have got. So उतना टाइम आई थिंक इज इनफ, राइट. तो आप आइडेंटिफाई करो आपको कौन सा चैप्टर ईजी लग रहा है, डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है. ओके, एंड स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन. So your book one already we have seen, like this is the major topics: OS, TS and C++. And from book 2 we have got introduction of the 8085, instruction sets of 8085. Then they also introducing 86 family, and they also introducing the microcontrollers and the network technology as well. So out of this, the problematic part would be this. Okay, in the previous C++ and HTML, and here we have got instruction set and programming of 8085. And yeah, so this is I'm done with all the basics, what content is there and how much is there in the CS or 12 standard. Right now we are planning to come up with the more videos. Okay, so just what you'll have to do is you'll have to just send the topics in the comment section which you finding are difficult, जो आपको लग रहा नहीं यार ये टॉपिक बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, नहीं जम रहा है. सो ट्राई टू हिट दोज इन अ सीक्वेंस कि हाँ पहले C++ करा दो सर, फिर HTML करा दो, ठीक है, फिर म्यूपी का बेसिक 85 पढ़ा दो, फिर उसके इंस्ट्रक्शन सेट पढ़ा दो. सो आई थिंक दिस 3 टॉपिक्स आई फील दैट इज गोइंग टू बी स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट, राइट. और बाकी जो थियोरेटिकल है दैट यू कैन प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ. स्टिल यू हैव एनी डाउट इन दैट, नहीं सर ये वाला टॉपिक भी थोड़ा देख लो, ये भी करा दो. सी सो प्लीज़ कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन देयर. सो विल प्लान एंड यू पुट लाइक सर ये टॉपिक करा दो या ये वाला करा दो सर, या फिर you find that any other topic you finding difficult. So just you can just tell us, like, so we'll plan something और वो चीज़ हम लोग upload कर देंगे. So thank you for watching the video. Okay, so please come up with your comments what topic you are willing to have, so accordingly we'll plan something. Okay, so that's it. So all the best, do well, start studying. Bye.